Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. Coffee Time. This is Sami, and again from London. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the Solidity next part. Function modifier. Modifiers are code that can be run before and or after a function call. Before and or after. Modifiers can be used as restricted access validated inputs guard against reentrancy hack. We'll talk about this later. What is modifier? What is action modifier in C sharp? It is something C sharp. Let's C++. This is something like pointer, reference. Now we wanna because in C sharp we do not have something like this private internal. That's what we use. And here, let's go to the Solidity. I say here I have here a contract which is version 8.21, which is the last one. If I compile this, if I compile my contract, you see this is nothing special. This is just state variables which we know how it's work. We have a constructor here which is send, and here we have two function. You say okay, update value. You say okay, you send me a new unsigned integer as new value, and it's going to act like a setter, update value. If you see 1, it set this to 1. Okay, but the point is this is public, like any other function what we saw here. Function, and we have other function which is now transfer ownership. Transfer ownership wants to say, because owner of a contract is just unique one. Okay, the first one who deploy contracts. Now I clicked here the first one, which address was that? C4. This is address which is ended to DDC4 is the owner of this contract, and all other, if I do something like this and now call a function, this is not owner anymore. Okay, because who deploys, you see these are all 100 ether. Who deploys pay fee, and this is the owner of the contract. But that's, yeah, but the point is now here is this. Next, we have something like function modifier. We want to control. Sometimes I need to control behavior of this function. Let's imagine here I want to say okay, this function is only accessible to the owner of the contract, because I don't like any anyone comes here and change the contract owner and steal everything here just like a div. Okay, this is two function. Now modifier here, this is Solidity main page and main example, and here is a address public owner xt and public locked. We have here a boolean locked, and here okay, owner is equal to message sender. Here owner is a first time when contract fires up, owner is equal to message sender, a wallet, the first wallet. Okay, and then we have here modifier. Is say only owner, the name of modifier, and here require message sender should be owner. We have here modifier. I have here a modifier. You are going to declare modifier with modifier keyword, after that with the name of function and require. Require wants to say against, in the last part we saw assert. This is just like that. Or if message sender is equal to owner, go further. Otherwise, shut up. Stop. And look at this. This is just a standard syntax. Okay, but now we have a modifier, but how we use it? Modifiers are used to control functions. Public, if I say only owner, this function is available only to owner. Who's owner? The first of the very first wallet, I mean. Okay, and now we have here, okay, I say here I have, okay, second function which is only owner. I want to say here these two functions are controlled by this modifier which is now only owner. Okay, let me remove this. I will now show you how in reality this works. Okay. First of all, let me do this. Deploy this. Update value. Okay, I am now owner. I can update value. Let's say update value here. 7. I have updated value. Okay, updated value here because I was owner here. Okay, and now if I'm saying here I'm coming with other account which is not owner, and let me say, or I am be able to say this is 70. As you see guys, there is a problem. Access control blah 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 blah. With other words, it's supposed to say this function is only available for the very first contract initializer, which is the first wallet, in this case DDC4. Okay, and now here other function. Okay, we have other function. It say transfer ownership. Let's imagine we come with new wallet, and I want to say here transfer ownership. What's transfer ownership? Address new owner. Let's new owner. Ether. New owner. Let's say this is new owner. For example, this is new owner. I'm going to copy it. I want to call the function. I want to call a public function with not owner wallet, and I expect that just transfer ownership just successfully happen. And here, wait a moment, transfer ownership. Okay, I say transfer ownership because on transfer ownership accept address as parameter. I say, okay, this is new owner. I want to make new owner with this address, transfer ownership. As you see, this is just owner. This is just new. We have new owner. And because this address is just a fucked up address, I cannot now. But this is the thing. And now let me come back. I want to say here transfer ownership, which is very important for a smart contract, is only available to owner. And owner, the first owner, wanna decide what to wanna do, or who's the next owner. I'm deployed, and here I wanna say just, for example, now look at, I have here 70, this one, and here if I'm coming with other wallet and again say transfer ownership, what that day, oh yo, how I'm gonna copy this, bro. Ether scan, Ether. Let's come here again, copy, which is this now, token X. Okay, I am now, I don't know who's owner now. Let me see, transfer ownership, as voila, owner. Okay, and now let me come here, modifier. Here we have modifier only owner. We have second modifier, valid address. Okay, it accept address and wanna check that the address not zero, not an empty address. Actually, you are be able to take exception to control behavior and all things. Here is a function change owner. This function to change the old owner to new owner, we need the new owner address, and here is a only only owner, valid address. Two modifier after each other. Two modifier after each other. Modifier non-reentrancy required, not locked here. Now talk later. And lock true, lock false, and just modifier control. And here we have other function, decrement, and then public non-reentrancy, and then you control behavior of this. Guys, have a nice day. See you in the next one.